Thank you for choosing LiftMaster. This video will provide an overview of LiftMaster's manual traffic control systems. We'll also share important information you'll need before and during installation. This video is intended for demonstration purposes only. The procedures demonstrated should only be performed by trained professional installers and service technicians. Safe operation and servicing requires that you follow all instructions and safety advisories found in the manual. To locate a trained professional installer or service technician, go to liftmaster.com/locate-a-dealer. To achieve a successful installation, it is vital to survey the site. Select a location for the traffic spike system that meets the following conditions. Vehicle traffic must travel over the system at a strict 90-degree angle for both the front and rear axles. Do not install the traffic system on a curve. The path of travel needs to be straight for 15 to 20 feet on both sides of the traffic control system. Curves beyond that distance are fine. Traffic must be slowed to a maximum speed of 5 miles per hour to avoid damage to the spikes and to other internal components. Speed bumps should be used whenever possible to slow traffic to the desired speed. Warning signs are strongly recommended to warn drivers of the inherent danger of the device, including a notice for pedestrian traffic to stay clear of the area. Use caution when installing near high pedestrian traffic areas. If there will be traffic after dark, be sure to provide adequate lighting in the area and use the lighted warning sign. Do not install when the road surface is in poor condition or unpaved, or when the surface is on an incline or otherwise not level. The traffic system must be installed on a solid, level surface of concrete or asphalt. Let's take a closer look at the manual traffic control systems. Traffic spikes are available in 3-foot and 6-foot sections. You can choose systems that install in-ground or mount to the surface. For this video, we'll focus on the surface mount system. There are 2 methods for installing surface mount traffic control systems. Method 1 requires using epoxy to affix the system to the asphalt or concrete surface. Method 2 is to bolt the system to the surface. Bolts are not recommended for asphalt surfaces. We recommend using the combination of epoxy and bolts for added strength. Before beginning, place adequate warning barricades in the traffic lane to divert traffic during the construction process and until ready to activate the traffic control system. Lay out the components in the installation location, making sure the spikes are oriented in the correct direction for the flow of traffic. Mark the locations of the bolt holes and the edges of the sections with chalk. Remove the traffic system components and pre-drill holes for your anchor bolts in the marked locations and per the bolt manufacturer's specifications. Ensure that the bolts you select do not extend above the traffic control system enough to cause damage to tires. The recommended bolt is a 3/8 inch large diameter concrete anchor. Mix the epoxy per the product instructions. Apply the epoxy compound to an area slightly larger than the outline of your traffic control system components. Be sure not to fill your pre-drilled anchor holes with epoxy. Place the traffic control system components into position using the marks and pre-drilled anchor holes as a guide. Install the concrete anchors per the manufacturer's instructions. Locate traffic warning signs in a location visible to traffic. Do not allow traffic to pass over the traffic control system until the epoxy has cured for the amount of time recommended by the manufacturer. 4 hours can be used as a rough estimate, but actual cure times can depend on environmental factors and choice of manufacturer. Regular routine maintenance is essential to keep both in-ground and surface mount systems functioning properly. Every month, do the following. Remove the top plate and clear out accumulated debris. Verify proper movement of the spike assembly. Lubricate bearings and tighten bearing assemblies as needed. Reinstall the top plate and recheck for proper movement of the spikes. Ensure the latch-down assembly is tightened. Depending on environment factors of each installation, maintenance may need to be performed more than once a month. For more information, visit liftmastertraining.com.